Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day after all this rain and wind from the last couple of days this week. We are on the way to pick up the trailer again. I rented it for 4 hours, and we are going to pick up our tractor that they let me know that it was fixed this morning. Then we will drop off the tractor and pick up a wood splitter as well in the same company, and then we're gonna start splitting firewood. So a lot of calls in between and some office work too, but it's a great day to be outside and to get ready for the spring. Let's go. And we are on the way. We dropped off the trailer from the tractor, and we rented a wood splitter. So we have that for 24 hours. So all the way till tonight, and then we come back early tomorrow. We're gonna split a bunch of wood that we have on property and have it cured for the next years to come. So bought some line as well to protect the people from falling into the ice or root cellar. So I gonna have that on the list for today or tomorrow as well. Let's go. aquí. So, as I told you earlier, we're gonna put some sticks around this hazard. It's definitely when we start getting people on property. I don't want anyone to get in there or fall in there. So it's too hard, so we're just gonna tie it around the trees. At least people see that there's something that they have to be take care of. Yeah. Let's go. The ice cellar project will continue. We just focused on the forest currently before the spring is starting, but the ice cellar is still a top priority. So we opened the valve, so the creek is starting to fill up again. It looks gorgeous after we clean up all the stuff around it. So Okay, that's it for today. It's almost dark here, so it's probably the longer days that we spend on property. But tomorrow we're back early. We have this machine for another probably till 2 p.m. tomorrow. So we have a lot more wood on property that we want to take care of. So see you all tomorrow, and yeah, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for all the over 300 subscribers now. Every day there's new subscribers, what makes me really happy. And it's getting cold, so we are going to our families and spend the night with them. See you all tomorrow.